How to create Cnfans account. Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step by step on how to register on Cnfans. So to create the account, all you have to do now, go to your Play Store or App Store, or you can go to the site, just install the app. So I'm using Android. After you come to your Play Store or App Store, just install the app and open the app like this. So after you open the app like this, now you can use the web picture and you can use the application picture. So after you open the app like this, now tap on your profile account at the bottom. So after you come to the account section, so tap on this sign up button. So from this option now, you can go ahead now and enter your email address in this option now. I will just add my email address. After you add your email address in this option now, type in your password in this option now. So after you come to this option now, as you can see now, type in your password in this option. So here you can type in your password, and here you can type in the invitation code if you have. If you don't have the invitation code, you can leave the place blank. And this option now, you can type in this code. As you can see now, this letter that they give you, you type the letter in this option. Let me type in this code in this option now. So to type the code SNGP. So after you type in this code in this option now, make sure now to check on this option. So after you check, you can tap on this register button. So as you can see now, here it says registration successful. So you can tap on this I know button. So now it will take you to your account. So as you can see now, that's it now on how to create Cnfans account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.